Hey friends, welcome back to Cleaning Therapy. It's been a really long time since I've said that. Well, first I just want to say thank you so much for those of you who have hung in here with me through this last year. I have hardly posted at all. I think I posted one fall marathon and that was it. And I really haven't posted any new content here on Cleaning Therapy in over a year. And I just want to say thank you so much to those of you who are still subscribed and still just here in my world and active on this channel. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for supporting my family through the worst year of our lives. But I wanted to get on here and just connect with you guys, let you know what actually has been happening in case you don't follow me on Instagram or in case you haven't been following the other channel, Jenny and Tony, which I will link in my description box, where I was giving updates on my husband and on our life at that time. So for those of you who are new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Our family has gone through a really difficult, tragic year, and we ended up losing my husband this past November. So Tony passed away on November 4th of 2024 after a long battle with his disability, muscular dystrophy, but also some other complications that came about and some things that we really couldn't get to the bottom of, but he ended up just getting very sick and ended up in a rehab facility last summer and then ended up passing away. So I did, like I said, I did put some updates on the other channel, but I wanted to connect with you guys on here because I am now coming back to this channel on a weekly basis, and I'm going to also be posting on that channel probably on a monthly basis, just kind of continuing to share our story. So I wanted to kind of talk about what that's gonna look like. So first of all, I'm on a grief journey. So I just lost my husband about 7 months ago. I am still grieving and trying to kind of find my new normal, my new identity. I'm doing pretty well in that area. I really think I'm making progress, going to therapy and just kind of healing in the way that I feel led to heal, and just feels good to me to try to heal. But it really is kind of an identity thing when you lose your spouse, your person, your best friend. Tony's the one that I did YouTube with. He's the one that we would dream about YouTube together, and he'd be behind the scenes doing all my audio and helping me edit. And it was truly like an us thing. And so coming back to YouTube was a really hard decision for me, because part of it was I really wanted to and missed it and felt very drawn to coming back here and sharing again with you guys. But then part of me was like, how can I do that without Tony? So it has been really hard for me to wrap my head around the fact that I can still do this, and I'll do it in honor of him and because it was important to him and to us. So that has been kind of the first step in coming back here. And then also I just wanted to kind of really figure out what I felt led to share and what I really wanted to do on this platform and who I want to be on this platform. So when I really thought about it, I started this channel back in 2019. The fall of 2019 is when I started Cleaning Therapy. And it did really well, like in that first few years, like 2-3 years. Cleaning Therapy did really well. It was so fun. I loved doing it. I loved connecting with you guys from all over the country, all over the world. It was such a joy. I think I would have just gone on like that. I really think that that would have been the perfect like hobby / job for me. It was so fun. It just became harder and harder to post since I was also his caregiver and having a young child as well. We had Alex in 2018. So I feel like it just got to be unsustainable for me. And it really was hard for me to let go of Cleaning Therapy last year, but it was what I had to do. I really needed to dedicate all of my time to caregiving, and I'm really glad I did. I don't regret that at all. But at the same time, now that he has passed on, I'm reevaluating and thinking about like, what things do I want to keep from my old life, and as I form this new identity without Tony and figure out who I am in this world if I'm not his wife, and if we're not, dreaming together and doing things together, like what from that old life am I bringing with me, and then what is going to be new? And I just wasn't sure, to be honest. So after a lot of thought and prayer, I am really happy to be coming back here to YouTube, and I really hope to be a person here who just inspires people to kind of keep going. And like, if you've had trauma, loss, just to kind of keep going and learning how to rebuild your life after trauma. And you feel like you've got all these broken pieces everywhere and nothing fits together anymore, and you have to make something with it, but you know you're making something new. It's not what it used to be. And what does that look like? So I think that's essentially my story. My story is I've had multiple traumatic things happen in my life. A lot of us have, and I'm sure there's so many people watching right now that could say, yeah, me too. And I am trying to recover and rebuild my next chapter. So I hope to inspire others who are on that journey and learning to do the same and hoping to do the same. The content on this channel is not really going to change. I still want to provide just homemaking, cleaning, decorating, all the inspiration for your home. I like to provide relaxing motivation to where you might be waking up and having your coffee and watching some cleaning videos of mine and just kind of getting inspired for the day. Or you might be settling in at night and getting ready to go to bed and you just want like a calming video to relax and unwind at the end of the day. That is my favorite kind of video to make, is just relaxing homemaking videos. And I want to continue doing that here on this channel. And then I'm also planning on sharing probably once a month on the other channel, just continuing to tell my story, Tony's story, and just kind of letting that story continue as I go into a new chapter. So I really hope that you'll join me for that as well, and I'll have that channel linked in my description box. So I feel like the videos that are more action oriented, like doing things around the house or productive routines or just anything lifestyle, home related, will be over here on Cleaning Therapy. And then the sit down storytelling videos where I just kind of am documenting some of the things that are happening and processing and trying to help others and inspire others as they navigate their story would be on the other channel. So I hope that makes sense. So I will be trying to run 2 channels, but I will be doing this one on a weekly basis, Cleaning Therapy, and the other one I will probably only be posting once a month, just to kind of keep that one going and keep some kind of story going. I'd love to be a survival guide for someone else. There are so many people who have shared their story online who have been a survival guide for me. And I just am so grateful to them. I owe them everything because I have listened to a lot of stories and have taken strength from a lot of people. And I would love to be one of those people here on this platform. My life has changed drastically in the last 7 months. I am no longer a caregiver. My oldest is in college. I have my teenager son here at the house, and also Alex, who just graduated kindergarten. And I have more bandwidth to be creative again, to make videos, to have some fun with it and connect with you guys and hopefully provide some inspiration here on this channel and connect and make some more friends. And I would love to do that. So if you guys are interested, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I know YouTube will unsubscribe people after a certain amount of time sometimes. So just make sure you're subscribed and connected so you don't miss any homemaking motivation. And then if you would like to subscribe to the other channel, Jenny and Tony, I would love for you to be a part of that as well if you're interested. And here on this channel, like I said, we will continue on with relaxing homemaking, routines, just all the things home that we love. I can't wait for the holidays so we can start decorating, getting things ready, getting the house cozy and ready for the holidays. That'll be fun. Next week, I'll go ahead and share some, cleaning inspiration and summer decorating inspiration. So I hope you'll join me for that. I'm very excited for that. And yeah, please let me know how you're doing in the comments. I miss you guys so much. And I'd love to connect with you there and find out how you're doing, what you're up to. And also, if you have any video ideas for me, just drop them in the comments. I would be happy to try to make some of those videos for you guys. And anyway, all that to say, I am happy to be back. I'm very grateful for you guys, and I hope to connect with you more and more each week as we get back to cleaning therapy. All right, I love you guys. Bye.